Hey, happy Friday. It's me, Tom Altieri, New Jersey Mortgage Guys. June 9th of the year 2023. We're a third through the month of June already. What's happening out there? Mortgage rates are ending this week probably where they were last week. We had really one good day, a couple of flat days. Today, mortgage-backed securities are off a little bit. And the 10-year Treasury is trading about 3.75%. So that's where we're at with that. A couple of things to talk about here. It seems like rentals are cooling down across the country, and I don't know about New Jersey, but the rest of the country seems like they're cooling down a little bit. But the housing market is not cooling down, especially here in New Jersey. Multiple bids on properties. Every house that comes on the market basically gets multiple bids, and getting bid over, much higher over asking price. So it's a tight. We probably have less than a 2-month inventory out there, maybe even less than 1 month inventory here in New Jersey. So anyway, we have really, some special mortgage rates right now, not just for first-time home buyers, either for move-up buyers. Really, really give a call if you want to get a really good rate quote from us. We have a 1% down program. You put down 1%, one of our trusted lenders will actually give you for free a 2%. It's not a second mortgage like some of this Chinolas or these programs you get from the state where it's a second mortgage. You got to live in the house a certain amount of time, otherwise you got to pay it back. No, this is a straight out. We give you the other 2% on a 3% down program. You have to have 80% of the median income of the county. And some of the counties in New Jersey, that median income is pretty high. So that's a good program for you. If you're self-employed, we have some really good self-employed programs right now, especially if you're looking to cash out maybe with your investment property. It'll actually, these programs are basically a no documentation program, and they're better than conventional financing when you really look at the numbers. So I'll be around all weekend, 732-239-1642 if you want to get pre-approved or you want to talk about mortgages or real estate. Always here. Have a great weekend. Hopefully the sun will shine on you.